Corvette assembly plant is suspending plant tours starting February 4th, 2024, so the beginning of the following year. They are no longer going to do tours. There is no date when they will resume, but this is good news. It sounds like bad news in hindsight. It means that they're shielding something, some upgrades. In my particular opinion, the 2025 C8 ZR1 is going to be there, and they're going to reveal it sometime in February, which is why they're suspending the tours starting in February, if we're lucky, mid to late January, which means that the 2025 C8 ZR1 is almost done and it's almost ready to be released to the public. This is insane. We've been waiting for the 2025 C8 ZR1, the top Corvette, to be revealed to the masses, and it looks like it's happening early 2024. Be prepared. Again, the Corvette plant is suspending tours starting February 4th, 2024, which means we might get a reveal early 2024 of the ZR1, the new ZR1. Let me know what you all think about it in the comment section down below. As for this one, that's it. Do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Take care. Be safe. And I will see you all on the next one.